slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
So that's what
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I'm gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great.
I just want it back in some sort of good looking order. So there's branches here that need pulling out so that they can get more light. So it's kind of essential that I get on with this and do it, because if it is going to get better, you know, it should be looking good and getting the sun as much as possible. So that being said, I am going to get on with this, and we're going to have a look at the roots. So first off, we're going to take the wire off. Unclip the wire because I did wire it in. So you see, when you look at it, you think that's going to be draining really well, and it actually isn't. It isn't draining well at all. So there's bound to be lots and lots of insects. So I'm going to take this downstairs and try and keep the insects to a minimum. So I'm just going to have a little exploratory. I don't really. There's some roots. There we go. We've got some roots. All right, because that wasn't there before. There was literally two big roots that wrapped all the way around the pot it was in, and the pot had a big lip in it, so it was literally sitting in water. It couldn't drain, it was just literally sitting in water. So this is looking really, really good. There's some roots there. And this is pure sphagnum moss, so I'm going to be very, very gentle with it, because I don't really want to break the roots. But I have been advised, like I say, by the gentleman at Greenwood's Bonsai when I went to visit and get my pot, that it needs to be in pumice and a bit of akadama. So that's what we're doing, because why wouldn't I do what they advise? It's a lovely place, by the way, Greenwoods. I was very impressed with it. When I know more about bonsai, I'm most definitely going to go and buy a tree from them. 100%. At some point I'm going to go and buy a nice tree. Good few £100 on a really nice specimen, because they have some very, very nice trees. Right, I am definitely seeing roots. I'm definitely seeing roots in here. So I'm going to take the top layer of this sphagnum moss off. Right, there we go. That's all I'm going to do. Give it a little wiggle. We've got that unpotted, and we've discovered that they've got some new roots, which is absolutely brilliant. So next job is to put this in a pot. You may have noticed that I'm sporting my brand new Heron's Bonsai t-shirt. Got that for my birthday, which is fantastic. Heron's Bonsai, yay! So right guys, the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to bathe it in hydrogen peroxide. I've got some here in a pot, so I'm just going to water it thoroughly with this and leave it for a few minutes. Make sure it gets it all. Right, so that's done. So just going to put that to one side for a minute. So I've got the wire in. Just going to get a couple of handfuls of soil. I want it sitting quite proud, maybe a little bit more. And we're going to put the tree in. And I'm going to start filling with the soil. Obviously you know how to repot. This is probably a bit boring for you, so I'm going to fast forward it and show you a little bit, but then get on with it. Right, so finally that's in a pot. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it downstairs, give it a thorough watering, and I'm going to completely spray this with insecticide. I think it might have had white fly or white spider, white mite or whatever it's called. So I'm going to give it a really good spray, let it dry out, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to do some trimming on this tree, get it back in shape. First ever time that I've done it, so I'm really, really nervous, but we're going to give it a go anyway. So right guys, I've got you in close here. I am going to start my very first trimming of this tree, and I'm not going to talk to you too much. I just want it to be kind of me and the tree, and you can look on, if that makes sense. So I might speed this up depending on how long it takes, so bear with me and I'm going to get through this tree.
Oh my God, I felt too safe for too long, and I can't choke it out. It's growing too strong for me. It made me bad to hurt you like that. I feel so good about it. The sin in your blood, the kind that I like, and I shouldn't be around it. Now it's back again. You got me in the end. To be the death of me, a little piece of me, a little piece of me. It made me bad to hurt you like that. I feel so good about it. The sin in your blood, the kind that I like, and I shouldn't be around it. Now it's back again. You got me in the end. To be the death of me, a little piece of me. Oh, 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 a little piece of me. Lay me down, push my back to the wall, and I don't understand, don't know what took me so long. Oh no. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Alright guys, so that's all the trimming done. I've already attempted to wire it once. I'm going to take the wire off because it was a pile of shite, and I'm gonna do it again, but I'm not going to bore you with it. I'm just gonna. So there you go guys, that's all done, and I'll put it all in position, and yeah, it's all finished. Hope you like it. I've got to get myself a lesson on wiring, I tell you. But I don't think it's too bad, but it could be a bit better. So, but yeah, the tree's looking nice. It's looking like the way it did when I bought it. So I'm quite happy with it. For the first time of wiring and sorting out the tree and trimming it, I don't think I've done too bad. So, as ever, please follow my craziness throughout the years, and I'll see you next time, guys. Ta-da!